Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you second chapter of supplementary reader. Title is The Thief Story. A young boy makes friends with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. Does the boy cheat his trust? Let us see. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15 years, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. It means narrator thief was very much experienced in the role of thief. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I came to him. He was about 25, a tall, thin fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. I had not had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. It means the thief wanted to win the confidence of Anil. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. Very funny line. So do you? He replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Well, I said softly, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? Hari Singh. I told a lie. I took a name every month. This is habit of the thief. He takes a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. They were discussing about wrestlers. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. This is the first meeting of Hari Singh with Anil. Let us see difference. Hari Singh is a thief, 15 years, flattering, changing his name every month. Anil is a wrestler, 25 years, tall, simple, easygoing, and kind. Let us see on page number 2. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, can you feed me? Can you give me food? Can you cook? I can cook, I lied again. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. This is the condition by Anil. So here Anil employs the thief as a cook. He took me to his room over the Jumna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony, but the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog. First impression was very bad impression. Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be get out. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way. He couldn't help laughing. With smile, the thief was impressing Anil. Later, he patted me, thapaya, on the head and said, never mind, he would teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentence and to add numbers. I was thankful. This is very important para of the chapter. I knew that I could write like an educated man. There would be no limit to what I could achieve. It means here Anil is educating thief and thief had some hopes that in future he can achieve something. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the evening, then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he didn't seem to mind. Let us see on next page. Yeah. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. Anil was very poor fellow. He kept worrying about his next check. But arrived, as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. It means what was the job of Anil? He was a writer for magazines. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattresses. I had been working for Anil for almost a month. Apart from cheating on the shopping, had done everything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door. I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. It means in this para, Anil trusted the thief very much. That's why it was so difficult to rob him, to cheat him. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. But it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Very funny line. A thief has pleasure to rob a greedy man, not a careless man. So let's see. Well, it's time. I did some real work. I told myself I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. It means here Hari Singh thinks that if I don't take his money, he will waste it. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So this was main problem of the chapter, that Anil was not paying the thief regularly. Anil was asleep one day. Let us see what happens one day. Turning point in the story. Anil was sleeping. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Sleeping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. My hand slid, second form of slide, under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of room. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees in 50 notes. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. This is the plan of thief. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed. I ran straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train was the train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. It means here thief is planning to go or to get on the train. But I hesitated. His mind changed for some reason I can't explain. This is very important line of the chapter. I lost the chance to get away. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted alone platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. Then I did not want to make here in this para or on this page. Thief is explaining what happened after taking out the bundle from the mattress. Here, by staying at one of the small hotels near the station, the only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. It means the only one man was the known person in the city, that was Anil. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces. He was well experienced thief. When they had lost their goods, things, the greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, and the poor showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Here, trust is very important for Anil. I found myself in the Maidan, sat down on a bench. The night was chilly, it was early November, and light drizzle, light rain added to my discomfort. I was not comfortable there. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and my pajamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. Here, let us see. I went back to the bazaar, sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. Damp means wet. Damp means wet. Anil's money in the morning, I would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. He's thinking what will happen or what could have happened in the morning. I couldn't cook his meals, run to bazaar to or learn to write whole sentence anymore. Here he is missing the routine. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentence, I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It means education is more important than a few hundred rupees. It was simple matter to steal, then sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever, respected man, was something else. Here he's missing importance of an educated person. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. It means his mind was changed. He's thinking and thinking. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous, because it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Means he'd made a decision to return the bundle of notes undetected without knowing. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway. It clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed. My hand came up with the knots. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the knots. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. Oh my God! I thought I had been discovered. Means my cheating was discovered by Anil. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. My spirits rose. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. It means Anil knew about my theft, about my cheating, about my betraying. Today we will start writing sentence. It means Anil is so nice. Today he will teach him writing sentences. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing, attracting way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. It means a thief was totally changed. Hari Singh could not cheat a kind person. This is the story. Thank you for watching. And dear student, now you have to try to understand the story.